Starting the record. I'm sharing my screen. Let me know my screen is visible. Is it visible for you? Okay. Let me start with Selenium. So the contents, when we start with the Selenium, first we know about what is Selenium WebDriver and what are the features and the drawbacks of Selenium, and working with the Selenium WebDriver, downloading the WebDriver API, associated WebDriver jars to adding a project in the Eclipse, how to create a WebDriver test case and execute some of the multiple browser. So these are all the contents. Can start with what is Selenium WebDriver. So basically, the Selenium WebDriver is an automation framework that allows you to execute your test case against various different browsers. Basically, what is a WebDriver? WebDriver is an automation framework. So earlier you are doing a manual. So you are writing a test case, you are executing by handling. So what here we are doing, just we can write a script with the help of WebDriver. So basically, a WebDriver is a Java interface. Means it will provide a set of services. Those we are going to be using. So those service is already available in your Selenium. So what is a WebDriver means? Basically, as I told you, it's a web automation framework. What it will do, it will allows you to execute your test against different browser. Different browsers, it may be a Chrome, Firefox, okay, uh, Chromium, Internet Explorer. These are all the different web browsers. Those browsers we are going to be executing our test cases. So basically, it's an interface. It's a Java interface. So WebDriver is what? It is basically a Java interface. As I told you, what is interface? Interface is a 100% pure abstract class. Interface provides the abstract methods. Interface always we are going to be implementing. So basically the interface will provide you set of services, means set of methods. Those methods we are going to be working on it. So as I told you, WebDriver itself is an interface. So what the WebDriver it contains? It contains set of methods, abstract methods. Those we are going to be implementing. So WebDriver is an API. API means it's a set of classes, methods, abstract classes, those bunch of things what we are saying API. API in the sense application programming interfaces. Now WebDriver is one of the component of Selenium suite. Suite in the sense it is same as your collections, like collection of different methods. So those methods we are going to be implementing with our WebDriver. WebDriver supports what? Multiple language. Means you will find a WebDriver with Java with Selenium WebDriver, C Sharp with Selenium, Python with Selenium, Ruby with Selenium, yes or no? So in other languages also we are going to be implementing. Okay. WebDriver, what it will do? It will automate only the web application, web-based applications. So whenever if you are talking about Selenium WebDriver, it will only automate your web browser. It needs web browser, means it needed applications. What type of application? Those application only are run on browser. Such things only we are going to be automate. Desktop applications we are not going to be automate with the help of Selenium. So I hope you understand what is Selenium. These are all the definition, some of the definition about the Selenium WebDriver. Let's talk about advantage and the limitations, or you can say disadvantages. As I told you, it's an open source. Open source means Java is also open source, right? In the earlier sessions, I explained what is open source. It is available in the internet, freely available in the internet. just you can use those sources. To using those sources, we are not providing uh, any amount or any fee for that. So such kind of programming language is called program. In the same thing, Selenium WebDriver is what? It's an open source. Means freely available in the internet. Just you can use to automate your web applications. Now it will support what? As I it will support different operating systems also. Like it can run with the Selenium, Windows, Mac, Linux, Unix. So different kinds of operating systems also it will support your Selenium WebDriver. It will support the multiple language. This is one of the advantage. So I can use the WebDriver with the different languages. According to that language, you are getting a WebDriver. If I'm using a Java, I can go for WebDriver. If you are using C Sharp also, you can use it. The programming languages means it will support the multiple programming language, and also it will support what? Multiple browser. So which are the browser it will support? It will support Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer. These are all the different browsers, right? So Selenium can be supports with all the browsers. This is the one of the advantage of what? WebDriver. So Selenium can be integrated with a third-party tool. Means if you want to go for any other extensions, like if you are using any other frameworks, that also it will support. What are the framework you can support? It will support AutoIT to while upload the file or something, SQL, Apache POI, test ng reporting, STRENT report. These are all what? These are all the different parties. These third party also with the help of WebDriver we can achieve. Now, what are the limitation? What are the drawback of Selenium? So, WebDriver, it cannot automate desktop applications. We cannot automate desktop application. We cannot automate the images and graphs. So, these are all what are drawback of Selenium WebDriver. Okay, these are the advantage and limitation, or you can say disadvantage of the Selenium. So, okay. So what actually the Selenium? As I definition, I told you many definitions here, right? Selenium is an free, or you can say open source. Only it can automate for uh, web browser, web applications across what different platforms. Okay. So Selenium suite means Selenium suite contains Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver, Grid. So these are all what one of the Selenium suites. Now, who is developed the Selenium? That is a just generalized example, generalized question. Who is developed your Selenium? Primarily, Selenium was created by Jason Huggins in the year of 2004. Who is invented or who is created your Selenium? So Selenium is created by Jason Huggins in the year of 2004. Okay, basically this will named as an earlier named as JavaScript Trust Runner. So Selenium, basically it is calling as some script, that is a JavaScript test runner. So they are going to be renamed with your Huggins. Later it will called as an Selenium core. Okay, so different naming convention. As it has, we have a Java, right? Before coming with the Java, what is the name of Java? The Oak. In the same way, the Selenium earlier name is JavaScript runner, test runner. So later it is renamed as Selenium. Okay, now so uh, the Selenium, these are all the advantages and the disadvantages. Okay, now come up with the how do you collect with your Selenium. Okay, Selenium. One question here: why we need a Selenium? If I using the manual, what happen? Okay, why we need a Selenium? Okay, why we need Selenium to automate? Like let's say if you are doing a manual, it's taking a time, right? If you are writing manually if you are taking a many of things. So basically to achieve those regression type of executions, what you need a Selenium WebDriver to just, if you run your test case, it will execute within a fraction of second or a fraction of time. So to achieve the timing things to system, it is going to be executing all those things. Okay, so because of that we need what? Selenium. Okay, so let's go for these APIs. Already I have a API. Let me, okay, now here are some of the URLs. So guys, just I'm giving these URLs, just you can download the WebDriver APIs and all the things. Just I'm copying, I'm sending you the WhatsApp. Selenium requirement. So you can download the requirement. So to JDK, if you want download this JDK from this, if you want an ID, just you can download the ID. If you want a client driver, just you can download the client. Okay, so let's go to WebDriver API and let me open this, what it contains. Let's say, so this is what Selenium WebDriver, or you can directly go to here, Google Selenium q.org. So this is what basically it's an organization, or it is an com. It is an org. So Selenium HQ. So here you will get all these downloads, documents, projects, some of the list. Okay. Before that, what I need to do, I need to go for, so here downloads. I have a download. So here I need to different version if I want, just if you want to use for recommended 64-bit or change log, or if you are using a Java, then you can go to here. The latest version is 4.7.2. So this you want to be download. If you want go for previous version, this and Selenium ID for Selenium, Chrome, Firefox, everything. So you need a previous results for the Selenium, just you can go to here. So basically what? The previous releases, if you want to get, then you can go to here and click the release, which Selenium you want, you can download the API. Just I can go for here Selenium 4.6. So in that I need what? Selenium with the Java 4.6 chip. This is our Selenium chip file. So let's download. Let me clear the downloads. Okay. Now just I can download Selenium 4.6. So just I can downloading. First you need to be at this Selenium API. Okay. From which, from selenium.dev downloads you have to go. So if you go to download, you will get the downloading page. Here you will get different IDEs, previous results, ecosystem, or if you want to browser also, you can download the browser from here. Okay, now it's downloading. So already I downloaded. Download this. So if you want to download the Eclipse, what you need to do, already given the link. If you want to download the Java JDK kit, just you can go to Oracle downloads, then you can download the thing. If you need IDE also, this is the JDK from where you are going to be downloading. Okay, next to, as I given here, Eclipse, just if you want, you can download the Eclipse from here. Copy. downloading the Eclipse. If you want earlier also, you can download from here. Okay. So these are all what downloading already we have, right? So download the packages, download none. Okay. Now Selenium is downloading. Okay, it's downloaded. Now if you want, you can go for Chrome. I will tell you how do you download these things. Let me go for here, right? Paste. This is what? This is the setup to download the Chrome driver. To run the driver, we need this Chrome driver. Okay. If you are using any other drivers, then you can go for different driver. Chrome driver it is. This is all the versions. If you are working with the Chrome, then you need a Chrome driver. Okay. Now, so first, what I need, already I have a Eclipse. So just I can open this Eclipse. You can go for any. So I will change Selenium workspace. Selenium. Now it's launching Selenium workspace. Later, what we need to do, just we can put this jar. Let me copy this, and I have created one Selenium class. There I am pasting it. Okay, so let me open. Okay, now what I will do, so here I am taking a new folder, Selenium jars. Here, now I can extract here. All the drivers it is added. So if you want to do like this, or you can go for another way also. I will tell you how to do that one. Okay. So if you extract, you will get all the library jars. Means these are all the predefined classes which can use. Okay. Now you can paste. So this chip also you can directly import to your Eclipse. Let me close this welcome file. Okay. Now go to here, new Java project. You must be create Java project. Okay. Selenium demo. Now next. Finish. Don't create. So we want show the view. So there go to your project explorer. So I created Selenium SRC. Okay. Now after this, once you downloaded this jar, okay, from your downloads, what I need to do, I need to be set up. So how do we do that? Go to your Selenium, right click, build path, configuration to build. Here some libraries are there. Just you can library add marketing, right? Okay. So if you want to add libraries, so go to here, okay, okay. Otherwise, if you want to do what, new package here, configure, okay, source, validate, property. Okay, otherwise you need to do one folder, just how we are creating packages. So here I'm saying Selenium uh, if you can finish. So here, just you can copy the Selenium jar. Now you can paste into the. So many ways are there. Just I'm telling you how to do that. So right click, build, add to build path. Now it is added all the jars with the library. Okay. Now, so here leave all the jars it is added. Now what I need to do, I need to be create one more folder, that is driver you need to be added. So here I'm saying web finish. So here I need to be download the driver. That driver you want to be added. Okay. So you need, this is a client billings. Okay. Selenium client and web driver billing. If you download this one jar also, it is stability, it is work fine. So there is a one jar, right? This one, it is the latest one you are getting, but we installed previous one. Okay. Once it is downloaded, you go for what? Browser dependencies. Now I need to be go to Chrome, and here I need to be download with drivers, Chrome driver to support your browser. So here, if you want to can review implement WebDriver standards, this is the latest version 1.9 and 1.8. Before, if you are using these things, you should be cross verify with your Chrome browser. How do we do that? So let's say here I can go for settings. So here I can go for about Chrome. What is the Chrome version? 1.9415. Okay, so this WebDriver you need to be download. Let's go to here 109. This is the latest beta stable latest, and it's the latest one. If you want to download, just you can go for your drivers. Go to downloads. So here you will get all the Chrome driver 1.0541425. Okay, now here different Chrome drivers, right? So just you can click on 109. It will be go to this page, index page. Here you should be download what? Chrome driver win 32 zip. You can download this Chrome driver. Okay. Now, once it will be downloaded, go to your drivers. Just I'm copying so I can store in my local, right? Selenium class. So just can delete this. Already I used. So now you can right click and a paste. Simple way I'm telling you how to use extract. Now you can extract this Chrome driver. Go to extract here or show more. Extract here. Now the Chrome driver exe is getting. What you need to do, just you can go to here, copy, next go to your Eclipse in the web driver and paste it. Right? No need to build here. Just you can build only the jars. Now after this driver, you need to go to your write a program. How do we write? Let's open the PPT. Once you download the API and the Chrome driver, next you need to set the properties. Means to execute your Chrome driver, we have to set the property. So what you are doing? System dot set property. As it's a set property is what? It's an method which is available in the system class. In the earlier class, I explained you system dot how to set the properties, and this should be in the key value pair, right? Should be in the key value pair. So using this key value pair, we are going to be setting the property for the system. Let's go to here, go to your Eclipse, take src. So here I'm taking one class. Class name is test browser, or you can say test Chrome browser. Okay, test the Chrome browser, or you can say Chrome browser test. Chrome browser test. We can finish it. Right now, you want to increase the size. Go to help, Windows preferences, font, and font, basic. So here we will get text. So we can increase 14. Apply. It's not doing. Go to preferences. Go to editor. Colors and font. Okay. Apply. Okay. Now this is the Chrome browser is our class. Let's close this. Okay. Now after that, what we need to do? I write a main method. Okay. So once you write the main method, it's what you need to do. You need to set up what? System properties. Set up the system properties. So what I have to do? I should be go for system dot set properties. So key value pair, you can take key value pair. The first argument you need to give which you are going to be using. Which one you are using? Chrome driver. Yes or no? The first argument, what you are using? You are using the set property method. Here, what you are using? So, which driver you are using? Chrome driver. For the Chrome driver, what is the driver name here? WebDriver.chrome.driver. Keep in mind, for the Chrome driver name. What is that? Chrome driver property name. Okay, Chrome driver name is WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. This is an driver name of your Chrome. Now we can copy. Can first key is what? WebDriver dot Chrome driver. So if you want, you can increase the font. Not increasing properties. Font. Okay. No. Okay. Now first step is to apply the Chrome driver. This is the driver name of what? Driver name of Chrome. Next, here you should be set the path from where this Chrome driver is installed. Means where we kept. So let me go to properties. Where it is? It is stored in a where it is stored? Selenium workspace, Selenium dem1 web driver. Within that web driver, we have a Chrome driver. Now this path, if you copy like this, or you can go to here, just you can copy the path, go to here. Okay, now here you need to be mention driver name is what? Driver name is Chrome driver dot exe. Okay, so keep in mind these. Let me first I will show you. Okay, this is need to be set the driver. Once you set the driver with the path, you should be do the folder property should be like this. Okay, now Next, once you set the properties, next step, what I need to do? I need to create an web driver. Let me create this web driver. Web driver. Web driver. Driver equal to new, which one? Home. It's not properly loaded the jar. I think it's not loading. So what I need to do? This will happen you with the different many times. Now I need to be remove this jar file. What I need to do? Go to your project, go to build path, or you can directly click on this jars. Build to build build path. Remove this jar. Okay, now I can apply. Close it. Now this also I am deleting. Okay, now what I need to do? Should go to here with the Chrome driver jars. I need to be download. So download with this latest. Let me try to download this. Directly you can applicable. Here the important thing is to adding a jars. This is very important. Okay. So once you download and install the jar, you will get all these things. Okay. Now I'm downloading. So through that, just you keep somewhere and you can add with the project. It is downloading. Just you can go for this latest stable version of the jars. It is downloading. It's downloaded. So let me open this. So this is the latest one. This time remove these two. Just I need this one. So go to your copy this one first. You can copy to come to our folder. Just I can paste it. Okay, second paste. Just you can remove this. The multiple times I downloaded, so that's what. Just you can remove this 3. Keep it. Now I need to be set up this jar with the application. What I need to do? Go to your Eclipse. Go to your project. Right click and build path. Java build path is there. Okay. Java build path. I'm not getting. So here I can say Java build path. So here Java build path. So here you are getting a libraries. Java, it's not working. Okay. Path. Okay. Just I can select the class path. So here add libraries. You can say add external jars. Just you can click on it. Where I kept those jars, I kept the jars in C drive. sorry, not in C drive, it's in desktop. In the desktop, created Selenium class, right? So where is that? Desktop. Desktop. It is this PC. Right here. Selenium class. I have a jar. So this you can open. Okay. Now you can apply and apply the close. Now this reference jar is added into your application. Just you can mouse over on it. It is not taking. It's not taking. Let me rerun once. Wait. Build configuration is already there. It's not taking. Here I'm saying loading graphs because I'm using Java 17. Let me already this reference jar is there. To project build path already there. Packing. So let me add this jar with separately. Remove. Okay. So what I will do, you can go to here. You can, as we created, just I can remove these things. So now I'll come to copy, paste it, and extract the zip. So more option, extract here. This to all. This you can go to lib. So just whatever the jar, just I am copying. Connect, paste. There is a special jars are there. Just we can use those also, but it's the latest one. Let me sort group by type. When I'm getting the Selenium API jar to copy it. Now we can go to here. Right click, paste it. So this way it is not proper way, but just we are trying it. Okay. Let me build this. Why it is not getting that's not the way. Actually, it's not the correct way, guys. We are not heading like this. Okay. Otherwise, you can do like this. These as were added. Configure libraries. Libraries. Mouse path. Add jars. So select these things. Okay. Now, now let me try web driver. It's not working. Is it any mistake? Loading. Like wait to once. Properties. Okay. Should be load, guys. It is not loading. Driver, it's not loading up. Weird. Not correct way. Now I can save it. Let me open. Yes. Okay. Here it is not taking up. So here Selenium test is working. Added a library. Selenium server jar we are adding up. Okay. It's working fine. Should be work. Take space launch. Let's go to here. Try to download Selenium. Selenium server. Yeah. This is download. The same page it is hitting. Stick version download. 11 system. GitHub repositories. Web driver, C# web driver it is. Sorry. But we are installing this only, right? P8 docs. It should come. It's not working.